word problems, addition and subtraction. Let us read the question we have to answer. Raj planted 1143 sweet lime trees and 1156 chiku trees in his orchard. How many trees did he plant in all? We have to find the total trees which we can get by adding the sweet lime trees and the chiku trees. So, we add the sweet lime and chiku up, we get the total number of trees. So, we add the sweet lime and chiku up, we get the total number of trees. There are 2299 trees in all. A person had a saving of rupees 23,000 in one account and rupees 46,000 in another account. How much is his total saving? We have to find the total savings which we can get by adding the savings in the first account and the second account. So, we add the amount in the first account and the amount in the second account and we get the total money in the account. The total savings are rupees 69,000. A company bought chairs worth rupees 6,550 and the tables worth rupees 9,010. How much more did the tables cost than the chairs? We have to find out how much extra the tables cost. We can get them by finding the difference between the table cost and the chair cost. So, we do the subtraction and get the answer. The tables cost rupees 2,460 more than the chairs. The electricity meter reading for a house was 3,452 on 1st June. On 1st of July, the meter showed 3,531. How many units were used in the month of June? We have to find out the units used in June. How do we find that? We know the reading on the 1st of June. We know the reading on the 1st of July. The reading of 1st of July is more than that of 1st of June. The extra reading is because electricity was used during the month of June. We can get how much electricity was used by finding the difference between the reading. So we do the subtraction and get the answer. 79 units were used in the month of June. Sia is reading a book that contains 4,523 pages. She has read 2,456 pages. About how many pages are unread? What do we have to find out? We have to find out the unread pages. How do we find that? We know the total pages and from that we subtract what she has read. What we get are the unread pages. So, we do the subtraction and get the answer. 2,067 pages of the book are unread. Atul had 980 beads with him. He gave 234 to his brother and 136 to his sister. How many beads are left with him? We have to find out the beads left with Atul. How do we find that? We know the total beads and from that we subtract the beads he gave away. What are the beads he gave away? The beads he gave to his brother plus the beads he gave to his sister. So we do the addition and get the answer. 370 beads are given away. Total beads are 980. Now we have to find out the beads left. The total beads minus the beads given away are the beads left. Let's do the subtraction. The beads left are 610. Radha bought 10 kgs of sugar for rupees 1,450 and 10 kgs of rice for rupees 1,230. If she pays rupees 3,000, then how much money will she get back? We have to find out the money that Radha gets back. How do we find that? We know the total money she paid, and from that we subtract the money she spent. How much money did she spend? The money for sugar plus the money for rice. So, we do the addition and get the answer. 2,680 rupees is the money spent. Now we have to find the money that comes back. The money given minus the money spent is the money that comes back. Let's do the subtraction. Radha gets back rupees 320. Rohan spent rupees 27,650 on printers and rupees 12,090 on speakers. If he spent total rupees 45,000 on buying and transport, how much did he pay for the transport? We have to find out how much Rohan spent on transport. How do we find that? We know the total money he spent. From that, we subtract the money spent on buying things. How much money did Rohan spend on buying things? Money for printers plus money for speakers. So, we do the addition and get the answer. So, he spent 39,740 rupees on buying. Now, we have to find the money spent on transport. The money spent on transport is the total money minus the money spent on buying the things. Let's do the subtraction. Rohan spent rupees 5,260 on transport. Was that clear? Okay.